Sorry guys, I'm talking to myself. I didn't press record. Such an idiot. Okay, again. I got these. Look how cool looking it is. I love Skull so much. And I got beautiful Aztec Anita plant. So that was the second roll, and the first roll. I can't believe I did that. Jeez. I'm gonna have to take it out and show you again. I'm gonna keep this bag because when I make my own jewelry, I'm gonna have to sell it. I got these beautiful turquoise with brown in it. So that's that. Pina. Sorry, that's my secondary name. I only got 3 days to be honest, guys, because I didn't see what I like. And I do like the flag, like satanic flag, but I didn't get it, guys, because Dad don't like. Yeah, I know. I didn't got it, so when I get my own place, I'll hang it up. So, and I got myself a new. I do have the green. This bed sheet. No, I didn't get the blanket and all that. It's twin because my bed is twin, and then the other size is king, queen. I don't know. No, I don't know it anymore. So I just got the blue one. So if I switch to if I clean my sheets, I won't have to switch my sheets. So yeah, that's all I got. 3 things. So I will see you in my second video, guys. See you then.